Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. William Gallas will be one of Arsenal former players and one of the current pundits waiting for world football. So Baba can come and they talk about Martinelli of Arsenal. So you're going to talk about Martinelli, they very overrated, get. And the backdrop of what he make and they talk this in that because they say Martinelli go they hear some of the things where they talk for the media space, and some of the pundits go they advise and making go join Real Madrid because they talk say Real Madrid they interested in signing Martinelli. So for him, they feel say all those people they overpraise the guy, say they overhype him, say Arsenal fans they overhype Martinelli. What has he won? What is his pedigree? What has he done for Arsenal so far? He has not really done anything tangible. Men are wait. The guy is still 21. He gets many fruitful years ahead of him. So make him no go. They feel say he don't arrive already. Say this Real Madrid now, if they make him, they get confusion for his head before he go sign Arsenal contract, because when they read newspaper, they look social media, they hear some kind of reputable pundits, reputable sportsmen, and journalists. They talk say Real Madrid they interested in signing you. You go one corner like Sean Arsenal, go on they delay signing the contract. They hope say Real Madrid will come for you, but Baba they let them know say you never even they ready for Real Madrid. And come to think of it, this Martinelli now way they see they play very well for Arsenal. You get if you go for Real Madrid, go chop bench. Because the wing way they play, now the wing way Vinicius Junior they play, and that Vinicius Junior it they hot, that in shirts, nobody fit collect them. You see the left and the right flank for that Madrid. Fede Valverde waiting for that right, na senior man, nobody fit collect that shirt from your hand. You see Vinicius, confirm, Benzema, Benz, Babade for 9. Even Hazard gone no fit break into that first 11. Marco Asensio no fit even break in, you get. Not to talk of a Martinelli. So now wetin Baba dey talk, I don't know whether una see positives have been a negative from wetin Baba dey talk. So una subscribe to a line of thought when they talk say Martinelli is overrated. Now Arsenal fans now they overhype him. So that is why they feel say he don't arrive. The contract that they give you sign at one time, no they waste time. Wetin una think about it, Baba dey talk. Then away from that, we're going to check the games where Arsenal will play next. We look at our 4 games, then how difficult is it going to be. So now we look say the next game we'll play against Southampton. After Southampton we'll play against Nottingham Forest. And you know the sweetest part, these two teams now then they 18th and 19th for table. In the last 5 games, they don't lose like we they lose anyhow. So we look say okay, we'll play these two teams, if we give them back again before we come play the almighty Chelsea. So if we can win these two, it go be very important and very key going into that Chelsea match you get. So now what will they look then after the Chelsea match? You'll come play Wolves before World Cup will come. So let's see how things go now. I just be optimistic. Shall say Arsenal go fit beat 2 of them. Even though some people talk say shit back for world football, the fact is that they 18 and 19 no mean say they like to be there. They feel like to come upset because Leeds we struggle against gone. Leeds they like 15th for table, so nobody see them they high up. Well, it is football, like 11-11. Let the best man win by the supporters Nasha. Away from that, so William Saliba don't join Gabriel Jesus for people waiting for yellow cards get. So say many people they ask Sajus when the yellow card will come out. I even explained this thing for the live updates where I go for YouTube yesterday for the benefit of those who don't join the live updates. So which I try to explain is say as Jesus now don't get 4 yellow cards, Saliba don't get 4 yellow cards. So 1 more yellow card now they will miss 1 match. So our next match now we'll go play against Southampton. So the two of the talk we say make them try collect yellow card for that Southampton match, so that they will either miss the Nottingham Forest then play Chelsea, or if you no collect yellow card then against that Nottingham Forest make them rest them, make them no play. Then against Chelsea make them collect yellow card so that they will fit miss the Wolves match. Like anyhow we don't want to do them, but you see that Chelsea match, we must not miss that match because that match don't get an added incentive for us to win, and because of the Aubameyang factor. This Aubameyang don't join a new club, instead will play. In short, if you never play best football, you won't play best football against Arsenal. Remember what Adebayo do us one time ago when you get animosity with Arsenal fans, when the guy score run around the whole field, that kind of thing. Expect them from Aubameyang because the guy don't get bad blood for where Mikel Arteta dey, and the statements when you don't make about Arteta can't make the match very. You see that match before the match go play, Arteta go there and drawing board, go bring that Aubameyang video. Then they say, you see what he said? You must punish him. He must do it. So I trust Arteta, he must give them an extra incentive for them to win that match because of Aubameyang. So what we are needing now is we don't want people to miss Saliba and miss Gabriel Jesus for that Chelsea match. It could be very disastrous. Like it will everly affect us. Miss those kind of two important players will affect us. So for the yellow cards now, so from the laws of the game, for the first 19 games, if you collect 5 yellow cards, you will miss 1 match. Then for the first 19 games, like as we did now, we don't play 10 games, so I don't collect 4 yellow cards. They need 9 more games before they will do resets. After 19 games, they will do resets. Then any yellow card you don't get, you go reset to 0. Then they can set another one where we say that the 10 yellow cards now before you can miss 1 match. So as in they 4-4, now the remaining 9 games, if they don't collect any card for the remaining 9 games for the EPL, then they go reset them. Their yellow cards can go 0. So we just watch. I never know how it will be, but I just the place them collect yellow card against that Southampton so that they go feel miss the match against Nottingham Forest. So just see as they go. Our today EPL they run, so you know say Arsenal are supposed to play Man City today, but they don't postpone our match. So we are expecting some kind of people to play. Take a keen look, just keep a close eye on people like Brentford versus Chelsea. Expect something there. I expect Chelsea to drop on because that Brentford at home with Ivan Toney, with Mbeumo, they are very, very good. Then come on for that one, but the strongest encounter today, now be that Manchester United versus Tottenham Hotspur. I just want to make sure of them draw. If you know if you draw, maybe man you beat Spurs, because with these 4 points gap Spurs, I need to increase that gap. More increase that. Man, not only Man City now with the struggle with, but we increase that gap with them. But Tottenham Hotspur win, Tottenham Hotspur will come gap Man City, can't do like 1 point above us, because we will not be play and we don't get like 1 outstanding. You get, so you know go make sense again. I know you like me, they like 1 point behind us, you get, because a bet at hand is worth more than 100 in the bush, you get. So I'm expecting the match to be strong. Anything can happen because it's a big encounter. And for Tottenham Hotspur now, Kulusevski is injured, Richarlison is injured, only Son, Kane, and maybe Lucas Moura and they will use. So I don't know how they want to take set up. But I don't say Manchester United is complete. Now match if I go cool down and just sit down to watch and see what is going to happen. So we'll just keep a close eye today. Most of it will happen. Then away from that, so Ben Jacobs come outside call the talk say Chelsea they ready to outbid Arsenal to secure Bukayo Saka. You see Chelsea coach Ted Boyle, the man they feel say the contract where Arsenal they place in front of Saka, where they're not increasing salary from like £50,000 per week to about £200,000 per week. So Baba they feel say in can double that. Say they feel increase and make Saka come leave Arsenal, can't join them any amount. Say they try to build a young side for Graham Potter the way Arteta self gets a young side. So but me I know say that one no feel possible because Arsenal already table the contract for Saka front. The question now is when will Saka sign? Not if. The question is when. When will Saka sign the new contract? So anytime we sign, I will let you know. Then away from that, so Ian Wright self come outside call the talk say almost say Arsenal go fit Pepe Man City after the World Cup because it looks say since we don't postpone our match, the time we will come play Man City it will be next year after the World Cup, probably January. Now we go play next. So now Baba they look say by then if Arsenal don't still the gap Man City with some points, it could be 4, it could be more, nobody knows. If we still the gap them with some points, it could give us that mad confidence say win or lose we still for the top of the table. And besides, why we go to fear these people? They are beatable. Yes, on a good day if we play on our best we can beat them. So we get that belief, get that same the same day for Arsenal dressing room. We're gonna get that belief, get that confidence say we can beat anybody on our day. You get the major thing they say make the team still retain their shape, make them not get injuries and suspensions against all these big sides. Because if you play Southampton, Nottingham Forest without a Gabriel Jesus, you still feel win. Without Saliba, you still feel win. You get without some Odegaard, you feel still win. But against a Man City side, you need all the best legs. Without Partey, you need all the best legs to play people like that. So that's Jordan. My happiness we say we'll not play them today because there's 90% possibility say if we play them for the Etihad, they may beat us. The way we play against Leeds, if Man City give us rush hour, they go break our defense. They may beat us, but like us, we no play, so we still maintain our lead moving into the new year, January. Because I dey optimistic now. The next 4 games, if we pick up 3 wins and 1 draw, if possible pick up 4 wins, who knows? Let's see how things go. On my monitoring spirit wey they call Fabrizio Romano also don't come outside. They let us know say 2 European clubs don't come outside now say then they ready to sign our sporting director, our technical director will be Edu Gaspar. See they won't sign the guy, see they need him for their own club, but Arsenal is not willing to let him go because the guy never finished the project. been rebuilding with Arteta. Wetin they do for Arsenal, the way the guy they scout some kind of Brazilian talent, some kind of players for world football, they respect and go. If you just call them, reason them one or two say like this, they will just run come. So they find them. Though Fabrizio don't mention the clubs, who say, but it's not 2 European heavyweights, and then they find the guy. Well, it is good to see. Then they also try to toast our technical director, but the guy no dey go anywhere. So even now in the past, people they shout, "Do that spam was good." Nah, even now other people they find and now they enjoy what they do for us. So you have to give accolades to the man. Our Ferdinand self don't come outside call the talk. Say you see people like Rashford, people like Sancho, say the guys to the look at Bukayo Saka, watch the way the guy they play, try to learn from him, try to emulate what he's doing, the positives. Say the way Saka they take players 1v1. Say if Saka take anybody, he will lick that person like a pot of soup. Say now one of the things we make and love Saka, just like the way the guy they play, like the guy they play very, very well. Saying they enjoy him. So guys, you make sure they emulate him and learn from him. You can learn from anybody, but make sure you can play the way he's playing, because Saka don't score and like putting at 5 goals now, before goals and made 5 assists. He's playing very, very well this season. Even though he started the season not like a Saka we used to know, but now the guy don't make up for lost time. They play very well. Tony Cascarino self don't come outside the talk say, the way Shaka they play, say Shaka fit collect statue for the Emirates. So if he play finish, because the way the guy don't transform in own football at his old age, you know, say na young, but Shaka don't be like maybe that kind 29, 30. The guy don't transform in gameplay now. They don't transform from a defensive midfielder to a central attacking midfielder. They go front, they run things, they come back, so they maintain the way they play again. Say the guy don't be an integral cog in the way Arsenal they play. Very, very important. Very, very important player. And another thing they fail to realize is that Shaka no be injury prone player. The guy they always play. They always turn up. They play many, many games for Arsenal. And this season, how many yellow cards he don't collect? I don't think say he don't even collect any red card. For you to know, say the guy mentality and his mindset don't really, really change under the tutelage of Arteta. Arteta don't transform the guy. Now Arsenal is not a bad boy team again. Check out last season, how many red cards you collect the seasons before, but now they keep a clean slate, do it clean. Our Paul Merson himself, they come outside the talk say Mikel Arteta don't surprise everybody after 10 games. The way the guy they play, the way the guy runs things. Imagine winning 9 games out of 10. Nobody saw that coming. For the pundits then, before the season started, they asked them, say, who will do for the top 4? Nobody mentioned Arsenal. That was the truth. That is the truth, rather. Nobody mentioned Arsenal. Say, okay, Arsenal will do for the top 4, but look at the reality. See where Arsenal they, see where Liverpool they, see where Man U they. All the people that talk say go there for top 4, Man U, Liverpool. They say Man City and Liverpool will share the first and second. See, they don't know who will win the league, because you know say Man U and Liverpool buy Darwin Núñez, Luis Diaz, all those names. And they say Man City, Liverpool, first and second. Then the third and fourth will be shared between Spurs, Chelsea, and Manchester United because of the Ronaldo factor. They talk. We no answer them. We just watch because we finish 5th. Get now waiting this up. Shevin are winning first, the rest they pursue us. That's just life. That's what it is. Sometimes you really can't predict. That is the beauty of EPL. It is unpredictable. Nobody like La Liga, where you go know who they first and second every day. Nobody like French league, nobody like German Bundesliga. This place competition. And for the media side, they call they interview Pep Guardiola. Call they ask him about the way Arsenal they fly for the first. So back to say, Arsenal is back. See, that's what people fail to realize. Say Arsenal is back. Say Arteta don't transform the team, not just the team. Arteta transform the culture, transform the players, transform everything about the club. You get transform the team, transform the club, the culture, the way the players they believe, the way the fans they believe. Universally, everybody is unified. Anybody will be Arsenal fan. They are backing the club now. No bad blood, no negativity around Arsenal. For somebody like Piers Morgan to come outside in the media space to apologize to Mikel Arteta, like everybody they support, everybody's trusting the process. But all the legends now once in a while, Gallas will just come Messian. Which I'm saying Martinelli is overrated. You know how to go talk now. So now just 1 or 2 few pockets of legends they will come in Messian one here and there. But the rest are massively following the club. So it is visible for the blind and something that is audible to the deaf. Everybody can see these things, that the club has changed. Imagine making Emirates a fortress. You know, if you just come there, come collect point anyhow, it will make you fear. Okay? That's what they be. Fans don't they involved. You get. If they watch the way. You get one thing where Arsenal always upload for their channel. They call them all access. Now, footage where people don't really watch. when the match they play, like how the dressing room, like Ateta area, the technical area, how they be for match, the way fans they sing, like when you watch, I go see fans, the way they chant, like with energy. Oh my god. Mario Ferdinand self come dey talk say, you see the way EPL be now, say na only Liverpool. Now if you come outside, they can't challenge Man City with the way they play. Now the Liverpool they talk say they can't challenge them. We dey 14 points ahead of your Liverpool. So how can somebody dey 14 points? Now you dey talk say now you can't challenge people wey we dey behind with 4 points again. Like it doesn't make sense. You are 14 points behind them. The Man City is about maybe 10 points behind them. So I don't want to challenge. Before they were even near Man City got to lose 3 games. I know that it's very, very hard for City to even lose games anyhow. But so sometimes all these people they biased, but now so it be Owen don't talk am already say people are underrating Arsenal. They don't believe say Arsenal fit do am. Say the way Leicester City they run am that last time 2015-2016 season, Arsenal self go run am like that. It will shock everybody. You know we expect that to get. Even though on paper we know they fight for the league, we know no be league will find come, a top 4 will find come, but we'll end up for the league. It will not be bad thing, you know. At the same time, Shakhtar Donetsk, they talk say they need 60-65 million euros for Mudryk Michalo. Now, I'm monitoring spirit they call Fabrizio Romano. Now come outside and let us know this one. Say in the past for August, you get say now that kind of 40 million euros. Now they look for, but the way the guy don't play for this season, especially against Real Madrid for Champions League, the guy they score goals are plenty, and the guy is very, very good and pacey with his feet. The guy go fit play very well for the EPL. He's built for the EPL because of his pace, his stamina, his tricky nature. You get now go make him succeed. And when it comes to a side like Arsenal, where they give youths a chance, he's going to excel. You get so nothing Fabrizio will talk. So the point is now whether Arsenal go fit invest that kind of money, go buy Michalo Mudryk for January. Well, hold the watch. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.